This Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker and Nutrient Extractor is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make blending and nutrient extraction easier than ever. With its impressive array of features, this blender is engineered to handle a variety of tasks, from creating thick smoothie bowls to nutrient-rich smoothies and frozen drinks. Let's dive into what makes this blender a standout choice for those looking to elevate their blending game. At the heart of the Ninja SS101 is a 1200 peak watt motor, which provides robust power for tackling even the toughest ingredients. This high-performance motor is not only powerful, but also incorporates smartTORQUE technology. This innovation ensures that the blender can maintain its speed and power through dense and heavy loads without stalling. Whether you're blending frozen fruits for a smoothie bowl, processing hard vegetables for a nutrient extraction, this blender can handle it all. The Ninja SS101 offers 6 versatile functions that make it a multifaceted tool in your kitchen. These functions include blend, pulse, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads. AutoIQ technology enhances these functions by providing intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. This feature removes the guesswork from blending, allowing you to achieve consistent results with minimal effort. One of the standout features of the Ninja SS101 is its 14-ounce Smoothie Bowl Maker. This attachment is designed specifically for making thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and blender ice cream. Its built-in tamper helps push down frozen ingredients to ensure a thorough blend, resulting in creamy, thick mixtures that are perfect for spooning out. If you enjoy smoothie bowls with a rich texture or homemade nut butters, this feature will quickly become a favorite. The 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup is ideal for those who want to make nutrient-dense smoothies and extractions. This cup excels at breaking down fruits and vegetables to release essential vitamins and nutrients, ensuring you get the most out of your ingredient. The cup's spout lid makes it easy to take your nutrient-rich drinks on the go, providing convenience for a busy lifestyle. The Ninja SS101's sleek, compact design makes it a perfect fit for any kitchen counter. The appliance is easy to use, with intuitive controls for selecting the desired function. The blender comes with 2 single-serve blending options, nutrient extraction cup and the Smoothie Bowl Maker, both of which can be easily attached to the motor base. The blender's design also emphasizes easy storage and portability, with to-go cups and lids that make it simple to take your blends with you. Cleaning the Ninja SS101 is straightforward thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts. Both the nutrient extraction cups and the Smoothie Bowl Maker can be placed in the dishwasher for hassle-free cleanup. The blender's base can be wiped down easily, making maintenance a breeze and ensuring that you can quickly move on to your next culinary creation. Included with the Ninja SS101 is a 15-recipe inspiration guide. It provides ideas and instructions for creating a variety of delicious and nutritious blends. This guide is particularly helpful for those who are new to blending or looking for new recipes to try. It includes recipes for smoothies, frozen drinks, and more, helping you make the most out of your new blender. What's included? 1200 peak watt motor base, hybrid edge blades, 2 24-ounce nutrient extraction cups with spout lids, 1 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker with storage lid, 15 recipe inspiration guide. Conclusion: the Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker and Nutrient Extractor is a top-of-the-line blender that offers exceptional versatility and power. With its robust motor, smartTORQUE technology, and multiple blending functions, this appliance is well-suited for making a wide range of recipes, from nutrient-packed smoothies to thick smoothie bowls and creamy nut butters. Its ease of use, convenient design, and easy cleanup make it a practical addition to any kitchen. If you're in search of a high-performance blender that can handle various tasks with ease, the Ninja SS101 is an excellent choice. Its powerful performance and versatile features make it a valuable tool for anyone committed to a healthy lifestyle and culinary creativity. Order your Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker and Nutrient Extractor today and elevate your blending experience to a new level of convenience and performance. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.